We are Nigerians. We just came to the embassy, Nigerian embassy here in Tehran, in respect to the situation, and as it has been informed that all residents of Tehran should be evacuated, and we came to Nigerian embassy here, at least to see our embassy staffs or the consular or the ambassador or whoever. These are Nigerians also. Many of them, some of them have just left. We came here. This is the Nigerian embassy, Tehran. All of them, they have abandoned the Nigerian citizens. They have abandoned Nigerian citizens to their own fate in Tehran, in Iran. That's why we're making this video, so that it can go viral, that Nigerian government has abandoned the citizens here in Tehran. They have abandoned their citizens in Iran. They've all fled. We have been reliably informed that they all went to Kish Island. That's where they are now, abandoning the whole Nigerians in this land to their fate. So that's why we're making this particular video. This is the Nigerian coat of arms, written here, Embassy of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Tehran. This is it. This is the building, the Nigerian embassy. You can see the flags. You can see Nigerian flags. You can see everything. This is in Tajrish area. So that's why we're making this video, so that the world will know what country we are. Thank you very much. This is it. This is Nigerian embassy here in Tehran. Embassy of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Tehran. Residents. Look at it here. Look at the entrance. Look at everything here. Look at the environment. Look at this is Tajrish. This is the street. This is it. Thank you very much.